Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In this video, we'll dive deep into their standout features, comparing their camera capabilities, performance, display quality, and battery life. Which phone reigns supreme in photography with its advanced lens technology? Will the processing power of their chipsets leave you speechless? And when it comes to battery endurance, which device can keep up with your daily demands? Stick around, because we're about to answer these burning questions, but here's the real kicker. Is it worth choosing one over the other, or should you just wait for the next big release? Let's find out. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max boasts a remarkable main camera setup, highlighted by a 200MP telephoto lens that delivers stunning optical zoom capabilities, allowing for incredibly detailed shots from a distance. This, combined with its advanced night photography mode, makes it a top contender for photography enthusiasts. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra features a versatile 200MP main camera, capable of recording in 8K, which is perfect for videographers looking for high-resolution footage. The combination of these features makes both devices a powerhouse in the camera department, but the Huawei's unique zoom capabilities give it a slight edge for versatility in photography. For selfies, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max comes equipped with a 13MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group shots or capturing more of the background. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra features a 12MP wide-angle lens with dual-pixel PDF, ensuring sharp and vibrant selfies every time. While both cameras are impressive, the ultra-wide capability of the Huawei gives it a unique advantage for those who love taking selfies with friends. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is powered by the Kirin 9030S chipset, offering a balanced performance for everyday tasks and gaming, while the Adreno 840 GPU ensures smooth graphics. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which provides superior performance metrics, as evidenced by its higher AnTuTu score. This means that for power users and gamers, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely the better choice, delivering a more robust performance overall. When it comes to performance benchmarks, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max scores an impressive 2,800,000 on AnTuTu, showcasing its capability to handle demanding applications. However, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra takes the lead with a staggering score of 3,892,165, along with higher Geekbench and 3D Mark ratings. This performance advantage solidifies the Galaxy S26 Ultra's position as the powerhouse of the two, making it ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming. Both devices feature stunning 6.9-inch displays with a high screen-to-body ratio. However, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max employs LTPO OLED technology, which enhances color accuracy and offers a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display not only supports HDR10+, but also reaches a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it exceptionally bright and vibrant even in direct sunlight. This makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display the standout feature, perfect for media consumption. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max introduces innovative features like the Zmage imaging system and BDS satellite calling, enhancing both photography and connectivity. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra offers unique functionalities such as the new S Pen with storage and enhanced on-device AI for privacy. While both phones come packed with exciting features, the S Pen integration on the Galaxy S26 Ultra adds a layer of productivity that many users will find invaluable. In terms of battery life, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max houses a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without the need for frequent charging. Conversely, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which, while slightly smaller, is optimized for efficient power management. The larger battery of the Huawei gives it an advantage for users who prioritize longevity in their devices, making it a better choice for heavy users.